and girls. Hopefully yesterday you watched the video on Brain Pop Junior. You should be familiar with synonyms and antonyms. We've already tested over synonyms before spring break. This will be our first test over antonyms. If you reviewed yesterday, do this activity with me today, and then tomorrow you'll have a quiz to take over antonyms. Remember, antonyms are opposites. So when we say the word on the left, we're going to think of the opposite, the antonym, to type into the right. Think about the word long. Picture something long in your head. What would be the opposite of long? Hopefully you thought of the word short. Now remember, antonyms, sometimes there can be more than one correct answer. So if you have a different word that pops in your head as we go through these, that's okay, as long as it is the opposite of the word on the left. Fast, think about it. Slow. Pretty. Ugly. Hot. Cold. Hey, remember we're doing opposites. Sometimes we get a little bit mixed up and we want to say a word that means the same thing, but if it means the same, that is a synonym. We are looking for antonyms, the opposites. Never, the opposite of never would be always. Over, the opposite or the antonym would be under. If something is not old, then it would be new. If it's not far, then it would be near or close. Think about the opposite or the antonym of full. If it's not full, it might be empty. When you put something in water, it might sink to the bottom, or the opposite of that would be to float on top. If it's not wet, it might be dry. If it's not messy, it might be clean, or it might be organized. Or can you think of another word that is the antonym of messy? What's the antonym of messy? The opposite of messy. Clean, organized, sanitary. Okay, all of those might be antonyms of messy. Probably the most common one would be clean. As I said, with antonyms, there can be more than one correct answer that is the opposite of that word. All of them, as long as it is an opposite, is an antonym. All right. Hopefully you're doing well with the antonyms, and tomorrow you can take the quiz. Thank you.